So welcome to problems that you don't have to solve. So what we have here is drag link the end tie rod on a Land Cruiser. I ran into this problem initially from noticing a leak out of my steering gearbox coming back from Cape York, Australia. Noticed the problem in cans coming back. It took us about 1 liter of fluids to get back to Melbourne, so the leak was consistent but gradual. Lucky for me, I know how to find things. Toyota Land Cruiser Hands Repair Manual, Chapter 10. All the information is here. So how did I get here? Why did I have to take the drag link out when I'm after the gearbox, power steering gearbox? Anyway, this is where the problem started. Whilst trying to take the pitman arm out, I got into an issue of trying to separate the caster nut. This is what it's supposed to look like, and this is the old one. I ran into an issue trying to take the caster nut out, but it wasn't free. It was actually moving the whole ball joint. So next solution, to grind it off. So I grind it off. That was the cheapest option. Otherwise, grinding off the pitman arm would cost me $70 more. So I went with the cheaper option, which is to pay for the spare parts on the ball joint. Now this part cost me $26 instead of pitman arm would have been $80 at least. Very cheap, reliable company. Order online parts. I think they're operating out of Sunshine, Melbourne. Picked it up same day. But the main part of this video is taking difficult things in the cheapest way possible. Now,
what's up, man?
I'm recording.
Huh?
The boys at work helped me make this tool. Scrap metal with a nut 23mm.
Okay.
And nut slots
How was your day?
beautifully. Hold on.
Good day.
Hold on. Slots like that. Anyway, instead we'll use this driver, which is a more expensive tool. If you have access to welding machine and scrap metals and nuts, I'd go for this instead of that.